Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we will discuss most commonly used analytics tool, languages and related questions. In this video, we are going to discuss about closing balance month. It is a time intelligence function. It is used to evaluate expression at the last date of the month using current context. To implement the function, we need continuous date. It returns scalar value. Syntax: closing balance month, need, expression, date and optional filter. Expression that returns a scalar value date, the column that contains date. Filter is optional. We can understand the closing balance month with an example. In this report, we are using one slicer and two tables. Slicer contains year column from calendar table. Table 1 contains columns year and month from calendar table, and calculated measure name CBM. Second table we are going to use to validate the value of CBM calculated measure contains column month date from calendar table and cell from order table. From the slicer we can see in the table 1 the value what we are seeing from the January month is matching with the table 2. Similarly, for the February also there is values is matching. Likewise, for the every month as well as year, based on the slicer, both the data is matching. This is one small example of closing balance month function.